Well, this is precast on a maisonette. This is a 300 square meter maisonette done in Kiambu County, 5 bedrooms with a DSQ. So here is the front facade of the house. We are going to be doing a pergola, which will enhance the beauty of this house. That you cannot say the house is box-like. We're going to make it beautiful with a beautiful steel pergola at the entrance. So here we did the hidden roof. We did not use the normal pitched roof. We did the hidden roof for this house. It is in an estate, so it is going to be unique from the rest of the units. So this is our entrance. So this is where we have our entry. All these doors open up. I'm a bit short, I can't reach where the door is opening. So this opens up to the living room. This is the living room. It is quite dirty, but I know we are about cleaning it up. We are in our finishes stages. You can see how we have done our skimming, we have done our gypsum boards, and now we are in tiling. So for this client, she has decided to do the floor laminates, or let me call them the SPCs, which are more water resistant, and you're just going to do tiles and granite on our worktop, tiles for our backsplash, and we will also have an island here for the kitchen, which will be the masterpiece of this room. Then we have other rooms here. We have our laundry space. This is our laundry space. On my right, we have a pantry. It is very big. We have a very big pantry there. Then we have our DSQ here. So this is where we will have our help. She will be staying here with our client to take care of our beautiful client. So the ground floor, we have a bedroom that is en suite. So this is our en suite bedroom here. You see, it's very beautiful. This is our en suite bedroom. It is very spacious. It's a master down, and it has its own bathroom here. So if the client gets a bit aged and she or he is not able to go upstairs, they can use this room as their bedroom. Then we have our cloakroom here. Here we'll only have the toilet, and here is where we'll have our sink, our vanity, or our powder room. Then we go to our stairs. You can see the beautiful railing. The client wanted it simple, so we gave her simple. We'll be doing the mahogany cladding on our stairs, and you can see this beautiful feature window. You can see it's clear. The client chose clear glasses for maximum lighting and to showcase that beautiful sheer that you choose. Most of us buy very beautiful shears, but they're only seen in the inside. So she wanted to enhance the beauty also outside. So here is where we have the corridor for our first floor to where the bedrooms, heading to all the bedrooms. So the first room here, this is our family room. This is where it's like an upstairs sitting room, very spacious and big, you can see. Then we have all the other rooms here. We have another bedroom here, which is en suite, and we have very big and spacious bathrooms. Look at that. It is very big. Then we have our bedroom here. It is also very massive, and it opens up to a balcony. A balcony here. You can see we have done the grill very high so that the kids cannot come and triple off. So it is very high according to the client's specifications. Then we go to the other bedroom. So far we have seen 3 bedrooms. So this is our 4th bedroom. It is also en suite. You can see our beautiful big bathroom. We have massive bathrooms for this house, and you can see our room here also with a balcony there, very high balcony, very simple. but very, very nice. Then we have our master bedroom, which is our final room for the house. It is on the final edge. This is a bit massive compared to the one at the ground floor. It is very big, and it has a walk-in closet here, also very massive, and our big bathroom here. Every room on the first floor, which are 3 bedrooms, they have a balcony. This is our third balcony. You can see it's very spacious and very nice. The balustrading, we did the grill, or the balcony grill, very high to avoid the tripping over. And there we have another 4-bedroom bungalow, maybe call it 5-bedroom. It's very massive also. We are doing our finishes. We're in discussion on how to do the finishes. Thank you. This is Kiambu County. Continue following for this and many more. Thank you.